Okay guys, so what to do if you are out of storage in your Google Drive. So when you go to your email or something, you can see account storage is full. You might not be able to send or receive emails. To continue using Gmail, clean up space or get more storage. So usually this can happen if you are using your iPhone and you are since your photos and videos from your iPhone to Google Photos. So what we need to do is open your browser, type here Google Photos, hit enter. So first link, usually go to Google Photos, and so so click on manage storage, and here we can see so what we can see that large photos and videos, other apps, screenshots, and size of how much size it takes. So for example, large photos and videos, I will click on that. And here we can see large video. So before so it's you can see space what it takes. Yeah. So before deleting it, you can check it all, because some maybe videos you do not want to delete, or photos, for example, like family and things like that. So you can sort one by one, and if you do not like something, for example, I do not like this one, I select it, I click move to trash. So move to trash. So done, and now I can see that storage is a little bit so 50 megabits more. And also when you have deleted something, go to trash also. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, and click, don't forget to click on empty trash, and now you will clean it like this. Yeah. So guys, so you can check all everything in these photos and video section, delete all unnecessary files, and you will make some free space like this. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe,